Hello, Dell Do-It-Yourself viewers. This is Meatball, back with another fantastic food review. So, for this one we are doing the Krispy Kreme Doughnut Bites. And I know all of you out there love a good Krispy Kreme donut, but this time they're in the miniature form. I'll show you the package here.
Don't forget the camera too as well.
Alright. Yep, these are the glazed miniature, these feel like donut holes. Yeah. These are glazed donuts that in a convenient to-go size package, so let's see what these are all about.
You might have to rip it from the perforation.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yep, so opening the package, this comes with 4 donuts right there, all lined up for you. So yeah, Krispy Kreme donuts, hold a very special place in my heart. And let's get right into it. Yeah, very sweet, as you'd expect.
Now these are
Very
the donut holes,
nicely
right?
baked. Yep, these are donut holes.
So this is the part that usually most people don't get a chance to eat.
Yeah, so most people, of course, get the donut itself, but I would say the donut holes don't taste very much different to a regular Krispy Kreme package. I'm assuming these would be a bit of a cheaper option since you're getting a smaller package.
It's actually more expensive
Oh, it's more expensive.
than a regular donut
Oh, okay.
because it's on a to-go package. It's individually wrapped versus just a single donut or a 6-pack or a box of donuts.
Oh, okay.
Plus, they have a little bit of a longer shelf life than a regular donut.
Yep, I really like the taste of donut holes just because they're baked, they're, easy to eat. You don't really ever get too full or you feel like you've spoiled yourself on these. But yeah, I'd say pick up 2 or 3 of these at the store. They have a good shelf life. And like I said, I'd take it for the convenience factor. And yeah, here's a view of the inside of the package again. Alright. So, I'd reviewed this an 8 out of 10. It's a Krispy Kreme. It's a brand we all know and love. And they seem to have caught on with the to-go trend of having your food in little packages. And yeah.